Did you know that only 8% of people stick to their goals each year? If you're tired of feeling stuck or overwhelmed, it's time to make small, powerful changes that can transform your life. Let me walk you through the habits that took me from stressed and unproductive to thriving and fulfilled. There was a time in my life when I constantly felt behind. My days blurred together, filled with endless tasks that left me feeling drained but unaccomplished. I was living in survival mode, and it seemed like nothing could change. That was until I decided to implement 10 small habits into my life that transformed everything. These habits gave me clarity, energy, and focus. Now, I'm sharing them with you so you can achieve the same transformation. Let's break it all down. The first game changer is starting my mornings intentionally. It doesn't have to be elaborate or time-consuming semicolon. Even 10 minutes of quiet time to journal, reflect, or sip coffee in peace makes a difference. I found that how I started my day influenced everything else. It wasn't about waking up at 5 a.m. It was about waking up with a plan. Next, I focused on a habit that many people overlook: hydration. Simple, right? But staying hydrated improved my energy levels and even boosted my focus. I began carrying a water bottle everywhere, and just like that, my mid-afternoon slumps became a thing of the past. Another habit that changed everything was learning how to say no. For years, I was a people pleaser, always overcommitting. But I realized that every yes to something I didn't truly want was a no to myself. Practicing this habit allowed me to take control of my time and focus on what mattered most. Of course, I had to face my finances too. Budgeting seemed overwhelming, but using simple digital planners to track spending became a habit I couldn't live without. Suddenly, I was saving money, paying off debts, and feeling more secure in my future. By the way, you can check out my digital planners at Beacons AI Isaac Media Dia. They're a game changer. Daily movement also became a priority. Whether it was a quick yoga session, a walk around the block, or even just stretching at my desk, keeping my body moving improved not only my physical health but my mental clarity as well. I also started practicing gratitude. Each day, I write down 3 things I'm thankful for. It's a small habit, but it's made a huge difference in my mindset. Instead of dwelling on what's going wrong, I focus on what's going right. Sleep was another area I improved. Gone are the days of endless scrolling before bed. Now I stick to a calming nighttime routine that helps me wind down. Trust me, getting consistent, quality sleep is like a superpower. Perhaps the most transformative habit was setting boundaries with technology. I turned off unnecessary notifications, created screen-free times, and dedicated moments to being fully present with loved ones. Suddenly, I had more time and mental space than I ever thought possible. Another habit I embraced was meal prepping. Instead of defaulting to takeout or junk food, I prepared simple, nutritious meals that fueled my body and saved me money. If you need help getting started, check out my Fitness Plus Healthy Eating ebook for recipes and tips. Finally, I committed to lifelong learning. Whether it's reading books, taking online courses, or simply being curious about the world, this habit keeps me growing and improving every day. Now, these habits might seem simple, but together, they're incredibly powerful. They didn't just transform my productivity, they transformed my mindset and my entire life. Remember, it's not about making huge changes all at once. Start with 1 or 2 habits and build from there. You'll be amazed at how far you can go. If you're ready to take your transformation to the next level, check out my digital products like planners, ebooks, and templates at Beacons AI Isaac Media Dia. They're designed to make your journey easier and more effective. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on what habit you're excited to try. Follow me for more life-changing tips, and I'll see you in the next video.